and welcome to Crumbs Doilies in Soho. Now here at C&D we are really famous for our cupcakes, obviously, but we're also becoming pretty famous for our tray bakes and our brownies. So I thought you might like to see a little bit behind the scenes action on 3 of our biggest sellers. We've got the S'mores Brownie, we've got the Caramel Cornflake Crunch, which is everyone's favourite, and we've got a Double Decker Brownie, which is awesome. So why don't you head upstairs and see how they're done. go, 3 amazing reasons to stop by Crumbs and Doilies if you're in the area to try one of these amazing treats. We change the menu every single day, so there's always something new to try, so please pop along if you're ever in the area. If you're not in the area, but you're in London, you can always order lots of our cakes and bakes online, so don't forget that. I'll be back next Tuesday with the C&D gang for Tuesday tips, then Thursday at the normal time for a caramel masterclass, and then next Sunday is going to be another classic cakes bake along, so make sure you tune in for that. And make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you can get your shopping list, so that you're ready for that, and I will see you then. Bye.
Very good.
Oh my God.